here's another, what I think is a fairly cool example of perspective going on here. So I've got an ultra wide angle lens going on. I can zoom in up to this property up here. What I'm talking about, this church up here. And I'm shooting through a window at the moment, but to make that church look bigger, I actually have to go further away. So watch this. So here it is there. So I've gone further away, and it looks like the church is right outside the window. If I zoom in, look at that. How cool is that? And if I walk back to it, as I get closer, it's staying exactly the same size, but its reference frame gets expanded. So there its reference frame is getting smaller and smaller and smaller, making it seem like it's getting bigger and bigger. Like looking through a telescope. So there. Instead we're just in a room like that. How cool is that?